Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, um, I would like to throw an opportunity out there for you guys, for whichever person that wants to invest money into grass cutter farm or farming rather. There are a lot of money to be made from grass cutter. Like I always told you guys in any of my videos, there are a lot of money to be made from grass cutter. And grass cutter is a very hot cake stuff now that people are investing their money into due to the market. On demand that people are demanding for it. The demand for grass cutter now is very very high. So due to that, the price of the grass cutter is very very high. So last week I bought a grass cutter for one of my subscribers, 95,000 naira for just one colony. 95,000 naira for just one colony, plus the transport fare making everything 100,000 naira. So let's say if you have up to 10 families and you are renting them for a year, they are going to make more money from it. And grass cutter is a thing that you can rail at your backyard or wherever you are staying. It doesn't smell. It doesn't give any odor that will make you to dislike it. And you will spend more in their feeding. They are not like the other livestock. They are going to spend more buying feed, buying drugs, buying things that they need to be. They need to be present in that particular farm. Grass cutter is a very simple thing. If you have a sugar cane around there, if you have a cleaning grass, an elephant grass, and to top it up, you just get them on super grow or mesh feed for chicken feed. Just get it for them, wet it a little bit, and give them. That is the only thing that you can give to your grass cutter. And dry cassava peel, give them dry corn, the chaff, both the chaff and the maize brown. All those are things that you can give to your grass cutter, and they are going to do very great. And those things is the things that you can go to the market and pick them from anywhere, or you can pay a certain little amount of money to purchase them. So grass cutter business is very lucrative and it's very simple thing to start up. Like I told you guys, the demand for it is even more than the supply of it right now. Because a lot of people, if you ask them out, they are going to tell you that you should give them on this month for the grass cutter to reach a certain level before they'll sell it out. And most of them go to Cotonou to get this grass cutter. So the demand of it right now is very high than the supply. So there's still room for you to join into this grass cutter farm and still make some good profit out of it. So please, if you are interested in getting grass cutter, or if you are interested, if you are interested in starting up this farm, please reach out to me. I can help you out with that. It's a very lucrative thing, like I said, and it's a very simple thing to start up with. They can withstand diseases. They are not prone to disease like that, and they are not. You can't take your grass cutter to vet doctor. You can't call a vet doctor to come and check a grass cutter. If your grass cutter is sick, make sure you give them sugar canes, and your grass cutter will be doing very great. It's a simple thing. People are using them for pepper soup. A lot of people are using them. So grass cutter, the demand for grass cutter is very high. So the chances of you making money from grass cutter is still very very high. If you invest the money into grass cutter, I'm telling you, you are not going to regret entering into this business, because the business is lucrative and profitable. And in our channel, we are here to guide you guys. We are here to make you guys see the positive things in agriculture. We are here to make you guys to see the best that you can make out of agriculture. If you are not staying in Nigeria, you can start up this farm in Nigeria. If you are staying abroad, you can still start up this farm in abroad. Wherever you are staying, you can start up this farm. And it's a very simple thing to start up. It's not something high. Get the house, get those grass cutter from a reliable source. Then get their feeding, their drinking on truck, their feeding truck, and still yet you'll be managing your grass cutter, and they'll be doing very very great. Their urine is not like an acid. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't smell. The grass cutter itself doesn't that smell. So it's a very simple thing to start up with, and they're very love creatures. They are very lovely. You will love them if you have them around you, and it's a very lucrative thing, like I said. So what are you waiting for? Why don't you invest your money into this grass cutter? Invest your money, and at the end of the year, or end of the month, or end of the terms, you are still going to make something meaningful out of this grass cutter. So please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell, and always love to drop your comments. So whenever we have a new thing we can share with you guys, or whenever we upload the new videos, you will the notification that you have turned up already will notify you that yes, I've dropped a new videos, and you can watch and you can make something good out of that area. So please, if you want to learn more, or if you want me to buy for you, or if you want to purchase it, or if you want me to start up the farm for you, please, I'll be dropping my contact at the end of this video. Reach out to me and I'll come and start it up for you. So please, if you're new in our channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell to be notified when next I drop a new videos like this for you. If you think that this video is good enough for you, give me a thumbs up and bye for now.